is Duke the ox. Let's help him plow the field. Tap on Duke so that he would plow the field. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Our field is plowed. That's all that's left to sow. Drag the seeds from the sack to the beds. We've grown our harvest. Now let's deliver it to market. Drag the sacks onto the wagon. Keep it up. Our Duke is on the way. Here we are. Drag our harvest onto the counter. Done. Duke has worked very hard and got tired. Let's make him a comfortable bed. Drag the hay from the cart to the stable. Done.